Hello friends, in this video I will repair a defective Galaxy tablet. Firstly, I want to show the fault. I press the on-off button, the tablet doesn't turn on. Yes, you see, it doesn't turn on. And it doesn't charging. I'm starting breakdown, repair this tablet. Of course, firstly I disassemble this tablet. Yes, I checked this tablet. I see a problem with the flex cable connecting the LCD cable to the motherboard. Okay friends, I will fix this malfunction. I repaired the port, now the problem is fixed. The problem of the tablet has been fixed. Thank you for watching this video. I will be very happy if you like and share this video. See you later. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.